Okay, good day to all science students. In this video lesson, we are going to discuss about the periodic law. This is under the development of the periodic table. Objectives: identify how Mendeleev and Moseley contributed to the modern periodic table. Appreciate the collaborative and evolving nature of scientific discovery and construct a creative timeline or visual display representing the development of the periodic table. Have you ever sorted your clothes by color, size, or type? Or minsan kahit ilang gamit natin, mas maganda kung ina-arrange natin para mas mabilis natin nakukuha. So, what if elements were sorted the same way? So, scientists once faced this puzzle until patterns emerge. So, ito yung periodic table po na the periodic table of elements based on Mendeleev's periodic law. Ito yung pagkaka-arrange niya. So, Mendeleev's periodic table arranged by increasing atomic mass and group elements with similar properties. So, igrupo niya yung mga elements with the same properties. And ang arrangement niya is based on increasing atomic masses. So, left gaps predicting undiscovered elements like gallium. So, may blanco siyang nilagay kapag iniisip niya na hindi pa ito na-discovering element na to, na blanco. So, naglagay siya ng blank doon sa periodic table. So, si Moseley naman yung kasunod, ang gawa niya naman hindi na based on atomic mass. Ang ginawa niya is based on atomic number, increasing atomic number, which is also the modern periodic table na ginagamit natin hanggang sa ngayon. So, kung ikukumpara natin yung kay Mendeleev based on atomic mass. Ito naman kay Moseley is based on increasing atomic number. So, sabi dito, the properties of elements are a periodic functions of their atomic numbers. So later, Henry Moseley discovered that atomic number, not atomic mass, is the true basis for organizing the elements. He used X-ray experiments to determine the atomic number of elements. So yun na nga, mas naging applicable yung kay Henry Moseley, which is based on increasing atomic number. So the properties of elements are a periodic function of their atomic numbers. So this means elements are now arranged by increasing atomic number or based on the number of protons. This solved the inconsistency in Mendeleev's table kasi sa atomic mass, although na-arrange nga siya based on atomic mass, kaya lang may ilang element na hindi applicable yung atomic mass in terms of arrangement. So it became the basis of the modern periodic table. So yung pinaka-latest na yung kay Moseley na arrangement ang inadapt hanggang sa kasalukuyan. So pero napakahalaga po nung ginawa ni Mendeleev kasi isipin natin yung pagkakagawa niya ng arrangement na yun, napakahirap nun. And yun ang naging basis ngayon para magkaroon si Moseley ng idea on how to correct the periodic table. So if we are going to compare sa feature, yung kay Mendeleev's po is based on atomic mass. Yung kay yung modern periodic table ngayon na ginagamit natin based on Moseley arrangement is based on atomic number. Okay, ang naka-discover ng Mendeleev's periodic law, of course, si Dmitri Mendeleev. Yung sa modern periodic table naman based on atomic number, that is Henry Moseley. Issues with arrangement. Okay, yung kay Mendeleev's, yes, may issue siya because some elements didn't fit properly. So, itong sa modern periodic table, it follows strict order. So, kumbaga, nasunod talaga yung tamang arrangement. And another one, pareha sila nag-predict na mayroon pang missing elements. Naglilib sila ng blank na sa place na yun ay may element pang madidiscover. So, yung ginagamit natin sa kasalukuyan, yung modern periodic table based on atomic number ang arrangement. So, that is the arrangement of Henry Moseley. So, for activity, in groups, create a timeline poster or digital slide showing the key events in the development of the periodic table. Include Mendeleev's and Moseley's photos, key years, and discoveries. So, pwede pang gawin natin yan mula dun sa triad ni Dubhe-Reiner, saka yung sa law of octave ni Newland. A mini periodic table showing arrangement differences.